Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Happy New Year's. I don't know when I'm going to be uploading this, but I am filming in 2020. But yeah, this is just a little get ready with me. I have a little party to go to later. So I'm going to film me getting ready. So if you want to get ready with me or just simply watch me get ready, then keep on watching. We are going to get started by priming my eyes, and I'm going to prime my eyes using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Sand. I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal beauty sponge, and yes, it's dirty. I use it all the time. With this concealer, you really have to work fast because it does dry super quick, and once it dries, it's really hard to blend out and move. And I'm going to be taking the famous Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder in the shade Transparent. And I'm just taking a fluffy brush and grabbing some powder and dusting it on my eyelids. I'm going to be using the Alondra Dessy by Glamlite palette, and it's very messy and beat up, but I'm going to be taking the shade Horchata, which is this brown pinkish nude color. And I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to put that right into my crease. And these eyeshadows are very pigmented. Like, you think they're not pigmented, but once you put it on your eyelids, woo, very pigmented. And this is going to help me blend later. And also, I never part my hair down the middle, but I heard that when you part your hair to one side all the time, that your hair does start to thin out. And that kind of freaked me out because I don't want to have thin hair, because I know that's really like difficult to do things to your hair with. So every once in a while I'll part it down the middle, just to change it up a bit, and hopefully my hair doesn't thin out. I don't think I'll have thin hair, because my mom, she doesn't have thin hair. She has thick, wavy, curly hair. She has a lot of hair. So in the shade Jalisco, which is just a muddy purple brown color, and I'm putting that right in the corners of my eye and blending it a little bit into the crease, just to give it a little bit of a shadow. I'm going to be taking the shade Boss Babe, which is this reddish brown color, and I'm going to do the exact same thing, put it in my inner corner and blending that into my crease. And I'm just going to take a clean brush and blending the very top. Like this side's darker, but I'll blend that. And I'm going to take the shade Bronze from the Soft Glam palette. I'm going to take the shade Bronze, which is just a true bronze glitter shimmer, and I'm going to put that right on top of my lid. And I'm using my finger because I feel like my finger applies it the best. take some more of that espresso shade and putting it on the edges because I feel like it got blended away. Okay, so my camera died, so I just went ahead and put mascara. You guys know that I love the L'Oreal Telescopic, and I have also been using the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. And this is waterproof, the waterproof version. I really like this mascara. I feel like it gives me the same effect as the other one that I used to use. So that's what I've been using lately. Hey guys, so the next clip, I already have my face makeup on, and that's because I decided to just split that portion of the video where I do my face makeup into a whole nother video. That way this video isn't that long and I feel like it gets repetitive if you guys watch me do my face makeup in every video that I do. So that's why the next clip you'll see me with my face makeup done, and then I just go into my eyes again. So yeah, if it seems weird, that's why. And yeah, and I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush, the one that I used earlier, and I'm going to take the shade Boss Babe from the Alondra palette and the espresso shade, and I'm going to blend it under my waterline. And I used to not do this because I didn't like how it looked on me, but lately I've been doing this a lot. I feel like it really does tie in the look, and it gives it more of a smoky feel to it. It's always fun to try new things with your makeup. If you ever feel like you're bored with your makeup, or you want to achieve a different look, or just want to try new things, by simply just trying little things like this, putting eyeshadow under your waterline, or even putting mascara on your bottom lashes. I used to not do that either, and then now I can't do it. I don't know, I feel like it really makes your makeup all go together, especially your eye makeup. And I'm gonna add some bottom lash mascara. I'm going to be using the Essence Lash Princess, and I just add a little bit. Because I don't really have bottom lashes. They're really short and I don't have a lot of them. And I'm going to add clear, this is clear mascara. I'm gonna add that to my eyebrows just so that they don't move or the product doesn't come off. And I'm going to take the NYX Dewy Finish spray and spray my whole face. I usually do this before I do the bottom lash stuff, but I forgot, so now I'm gonna do that. And I try to keep my eyes open because then my mascara transfers and I don't like that. So I'm gonna let it dry. And I think for today I'm just gonna use the Milani lipstick in shade 29 Teddy Bear. This is my favorite new lipstick. As you can see, it's almost gone. It's very creamy, it's very moisturizing, it lasts a long time even if you eat, and it's just such a pretty color. And yeah, this is how my makeup came out. And I'll show you guys a close-up. So this is how my makeup came out. You can see my eyes, my lipstick. I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me. This is just my makeup portion because I'm going to do a separate video on how I style my hair. So if you guys want to subscribe and like and comment and share with your friends, because this year it's all about supporting each other. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate all the nice comments that I get. You guys are awesome for still supporting me almost a year later. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!